The Vivo V15 comes with 32-megapixel pop-up selfie camera, AI triple rear camera, and an immersive ultra full view display. Choose from two colors, aqua blue, frozen black. The phone is available with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. Internal memory is expandable up to 256GB. The 16.59cm, 6.53-inch f view comes with 5th generation Corning Gorilla Glass to ensure durability. The ultra full view display has 90.95% screen-to-body ratio and provides an immersive viewing experience. The phone is equipped with 12-megapixel, 24-megapixel plus 5-megapixel AI triple rear camera, which allows you to take clear pictures even under low light conditions. The super wide-angle lens creates stunning landscape photographs. Click selfies with the 32-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. The phone runs on Android 9.0. It is powered by the MediaTek P70 processor. The 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery is equipped with dual-engine fast charging technology. The box micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, protective case, and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.